Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to edit your videos like Iman Gadzhi. Firstly, selecting the right tool depends on your skill level to goals. For beginners you can use CapCut, iMovie or Clipchamp. For professionals you have Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve. You can also use SendShort.ai to automate processes like trimming, adding captions, and generating shorts from longer videos. Now, create folders for raw footage, B-roll, and audio tracks, tools like Google Drive and Dropbox, and watch all clips, making the best moments using editing software or even a pen and paper. Now, cut out unnecessary pauses and keep clips short and snappy to match Gadzhi's energetic style. Stick to the cuts, crossfades or light zooms to avoid overcomplicating the visuals. Platforms like SendShort.ai can handle repetitive edits. Now, use large bold text to highlight quotes or phrases and use tools like SendShort or Descript or Adobe Premiere's caption tool to auto-generate captions. Align text styles with your branding. Just place captions near the bottom but above any distracting elements. Subtle to zoom effects and add dynamism to your content. Just use zoom-ins to emphasize facial expressions or key details and speed up mundane clips and slow down impactful moments for emphasis. Tools like CapCut or SendShort.ai can simplify zoom and speed adjustments. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.